Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be replacing this toilet handle, and we have this new one here. The manufacturer did send this over to us for us to do this quick video. Now the one I have in here, there was nothing wrong with it, but first thing you need to do is you're going to need to remove this. This is opposite. It's going to be turning clockwise in order to loosen this right if we were looking at this back from the other direction. So don't try and turn it this way to loosen it, because you'll just be tightening it. And then we're going to just slide this chain off up here, up top. And it's just a little clip on here, so it'll unclip. Boom, just like that, unclipped it. And then we're gonna get that plastic piece out of there. And then this should just slide right through the hole. That one was pretty beat up. If you can't get this off with hand, you could just use a set of pliers or something, because as you see, there's lots of corrosion and stuff on there, so that might be kind of hard to do by hand. All right, then we're just going to do the exact same thing here. Install our new one. It'll kind of lock into this hole down here. And it does have like a little rubber ring we'll put on there. And then we have the nut. Same thing with this one. They go in the opposite direction of normal. Get it on there, make sure you don't cross thread it. Go ahead and just tighten this up just a bit. No need to get it super tight, but just tight enough to where whenever you're flushing this a million times, it's not gonna come undone. And then we're gonna take our chain down here. And for those of you that might think that this is disgusting digging in this water back here, remember this is your fresh water, so nothing nasty has gone on up here. And we're just gonna clip this into place, and then we'll test it real quick. Now you saw as I tested that, I kind of put my hand up here. That's just to simulate what the toilet tank lid would be doing. But yeah, if that didn't flush, which means this flapper didn't raise, you may have to adjust this chain on here. Just adjust it, make it shorter, longer, whatever you need to do. But yeah, that's it. We are done. That is how you replace your handle on your toilet. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, throw them down there in the comments. And I'll have links for this if you're interested in picking one up down there in the description and comments as well. And as always, thanks for stopping by. Reviews and How-Tos.